Hi guys, if you are bored and just go to this website framesynthesize.com and driving simulator on Google Map. Start. Yeah, here is the options. Here is they mentions three options: map, satellite and hybrid. And now is the options the bus. If you want to drive bus, if you want to drive car, it's up to you. And let's start. And without road you can drive anywhere like this. Now where we are, we don't know. Okay, go here where you are, just click here is a London. Okay, now you're here and now you can drive where you going, and right here your location. Yes, now you can drive